This live is messenger or what? Huh? Messenger? No, it's not messenger. It's a live stream. Hi, Lawin. Hi, I'm new. Not me to subscribe you. Thank you, 15M. Lawin, thank you. Yeah, if you want. I need that. Sure, you're living inside a bottle of champagne. Are you drunk, Terry? I know. I talk about the bubbles. I did subscribe you. Thank you so much. 18M, thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. 20M, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, 20M. Thank you so much. Hi. Play beautiful. Play. What do you want me to play? Richard Ortiz. Hi, beautiful. Thank you. Good morning. Can you like my live? Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Welcome, Richard Ortiz. Hi, Omar. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. Thank you so much for coming. Hi, Will. Hi, Will. Hi, Mom J. Hi, Will. 10M, thank you. Matubangon na to, Ma'am J, para madaghan sila. Omar, thank you. Welcome, Omar. Abdullahi. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much, Lawin. Please to subscribe also, Mom's Journey to a Helpful Life. Thank you. She is my friend. How old are you? I am 38 years old. I will subscribe. Thank you, Omar. Good morning to Bongs. Sir Bongs One Vlog. Thank you. para akong nabubulol magsalita. Kagigising ko lang kasi. At Omar Abdullahi, thanks for subscribe. Thank you so much, everyone. Yeah, please do like also. Thank you. Please do visit also Sir Bong's One's Vlog. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. $19M, thank you. Sine all. Ma'am J talaga, oh. Rayan is saying hi from Chicago, my lovely and beautiful friend. Hi, Rayanis. Thank you so much. My little brother is here. He's clicking my phone. Blew up the bubbles. I will